Alaan mo!
Blind Item News, a DNB on what makes a solid relationship. I guess we both decided that we're gonna make it work. And we decided really that we wanna grow all together. It's gonna be like that. People will always have something to say. You know, bad or good, so we pick up the good, the bad we just leave behind. Madaming nagsasabing, maghihiwalay din yan, o ganyan-ganyan, may problema yan, tinatago lang nila. You know, malas na lang talaga nila ng mga taong gustong manira. Pero talagang walang problema Stated D. Dagdag pa niya, what you see is what you get. Never have we practiced to be different. Kung ano ang nararamdaman namin, that's what shows. I think people nowadays they're very wise. Alam nila kung ano ang totoo at kung ano ang hindi. Sa aming dalawa ni B, what you see is what you get. We're prank and this is the way we are.